Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. About x squared and x to the power of 4, we can do about factorization. Next, we can do about partial fractions. So I will put capital A over S squared, capital B over S, CS plus D over S squared to the power of 4. Because we have the power 2, so we need to have 2 fractions in here. And from number 2, we need to reduce to number 1, that is about S. About this one, we have number 2. So on numerator, we need to have S. That means we need to reduce from number 2 to number 1. And from S, we reduce to number 0. That's why we have D. Next, we do common denominator. So about this one, it is missing about S squared plus 4. So capital A multiplied by S squared plus 4. About this one, it is missing about S and S squared plus 4. So that should be like this. About this one, it is missing about S squared. So S squared multiplied by CS plus D. Next, we need to expand this one. This one multiplied by S and D. Next, we need to arrange based on the terms of S. About S to the power of 3, we have B and C. About S squared, we have A plus D. About S, we have 4B. About the number, we have 4A. Next, we need to compare coefficients. We don't have S to the power of 3 and S squared. So B plus C, A plus D equals to number 0. We have S, this is about coefficient number 1. So for B equals to number 1. About the number, we have 4A equals to number 6. And now we create the system of equations. Now, we need to find the solutions of A, B, C, D. So, A equals to 3 over 2, B equals to 1 over 4, C equals to negative 1 over 4, D equals to negative number 3 over 2. And now we put A, B, C, D, go in here. So A equals to 3 over 2, B equals to 1 over 4, C equals to negative 1 over 4, D equals to 3 over 2. About this one, we can separate them in here. The integration of this one, we have negative number 3 over 2, and we have S. The integration of this one, we have 1 over 4 ln of the absolute value of S. The integration of this one, we have 1 over 2 ln of the absolute value of S squared plus 4. The integration of this one, we have 1 over 2 or tan of x over 2, and I will put about c. So this one we have 1 over 8. This one we have 3 over 4. Missing negative in here. Sorry about that. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.